All right, everybody, this is Dirty Hobby coming to you from the nation's capital. Today I have 2020 Bowman Baseball. I've got 4 packs, possibly another 3 more. We'll see how these go. I think we got some good stuff in these. Should I get in the video? All right. Obviously the big hits, autographs, Dominguez, Witt. And without further ado, let's get cracking. First pack. Sorry for any awkwardness in the camera. This is first time, or maybe the second time, broken packs in this location with this lighting. I wish I had better lighting. Okay. This is the best I got right now. Okay, let's start with Robel Garcia. Right there. You gonna focus on me? Jesus Luzardo. I'm just gonna put it over here. We got Anthony K. Ooh, shiny rookie Albert Alzoi. Another Jesus Luzardo, Chrome. And what is this? Like an international version. Peru. Okay. The card everybody wants. Jason Dominguez. It's my first Jason Dominguez. We got Valimont. You know what? I'm gonna try. Maybe get a little bit more lighting. Possibly. Maybe the card's just really dark. Valimont. Now put it back here. We got Ashby Brewers, Volpe Yankees, Alex Bohem Phillies, Travis Swaggerty Pirates, Chrome Travis Swaggerty Pirates, JJ Bleday, Hans Kraus, Grant Levine, there's our Chromes, Austin Nola, Logan Allen, Justin Dunn, Dylan Cease. So that was nice. Real nice. I mean, of course, it'd be better to get a Chrome Dominguez, but I'm not going to cry about that. Okay. Second pack. Let's open this up. With this. Okay. And here we go. What's that in the back? Toss this out. We got Eduardo Escobar, Joey Votto, Starlin Castro, Nationals uni, Gleyber Torres, Scouts 100 of O'Neal Cruz, Blake Rutherford, White Sox, Tristan Casas, Red Sox, Joe Adell, Angels, Gus Varland, A's, Nate Peterson, Blue Jays, Hans Kraus. Oh, and it's a Chrome. Yeah. Wow. Jason Dominguez, Chrome. Was not expecting it to be a Chrome. Baltovic, Daz Cameron, Miguel Vargas, Joe Burrows, Reese Hoskins, Aaron Judge, Mookie Betts. Holy cow. Wow. Hey, It be like that sometimes. So that's my second Dominguez. Sorry guys, I'm just off camera. Separating out the chromes from the paper. Let's set this aside. Wow. Love it. Okay, third pack. Hopefully it's as nice as the first and second. Let's go. Okay, again, let's start off with Michael Baez. Travis, sorry, I'm not even going to try his last name. Rookie. John Means, probably the one bright spot in the O's season last year. Matthew Lugo, International Chrome. What does that say? Spinning Globe. Okay, whatever. We got Kristen Robinson, Chrome. Christian Ponch. Jason Dominguez, paper. Heck yeah, another rookie. Jason Dominguez. Chris Valamont, Bowman's first. Aaron Ashby, Bowman's first. Lewis Gill. Wande Franco, paper. Take that. Jonathan India. Royce Lewis, Chrome. What am I doing? Set the Chrome separately. Anthony Cabello, Chrome. Luis Garcia, Chrome. Blake Snell. Max Scherzer. Jose Altuve. And Luis Robert, rookie. I'll actually set that one aside. Another great pack. Great pack. Okay, this might be the last one. I might open one more. Who knows? Let's start with this. And we got. Come on. Gentle. Okay. Yeah. It's a good way to start a pack. Center. Fernando Tatis Jr., Blake Snell, Max Scherzer, Jose Altuve. Oh, looks like we have a hit and an autograph. I'm going to put that in the back. Jackson Rutledge, Ojark. Okay, another one. Jeremy Pena, Kristen Robinson, Luis Garcia, George Mateo, Alex Thomas, Chrome, Jordan Grohans, Chrome, Gus Varlin, Chrome, Bowman's first, Chrome, Jarren Duran, it's probably the Red Sox top 3 prospect, Miguel Cabrera, Eddie Rosario, Kevin Newman, Bo Bichette, rookie, Jose Altuve. It's a Yankee. And it's colored, and it is Everson Pereira. Wow. To 99. Heck yeah, looks centered, sharp, everywhere. All right, Becky, you'll be seeing this card soon. Wow. Holy cow. And I thought I did great with the my mind's frozen right now. Jason Dominguez is. So I'm going to do a recap real quick of some of the bigger names. And if I can find it. It's really just a recap of 3 cards, because I did not get a wit, and I'm completely fine with that. So, it's a stack of my chromes, and majority of the better players. I have Everson, Piera, Chrome, Jason Dominguez, paper Jason Dominguez, and another paper Jason Dominguez. And then, of course, also got the Bo Bichette rookie. And a stack full of additional chromes. All right, everyone, this is Dirty Hobby. I think I'm just going to stop right there. Everybody, this is Dirty Hobby signing out.